Hello and good morning, friends. Welcome to CEC-UGC live lecture. Dear friends, as you know, we try to bring different topics for you, and today's topic is also very interesting. You might have heard and you must be known about the commerce industry. But when we talk about mobile commerce, most of you would be amazed what is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce today has made the life of many business personalities very easy. That is, within the seconds, the business transaction is done, or you can say the business is done within the seconds. So what basically mobile commerce is? We are going to learn about this very topic, and for this we have again with us in our studios Dr. Uma Shankar Pandey. He is Associate Professor in Department of Computer Sciences, School of Open Learning, Delhi University. So first of all, I would like to welcome our guest, Dr. U.S. Pandey. Sir, welcome to the EduSet lecture. As you have always tried to bring some new topics, some new concepts which have always amazed us, and in fact it has added knowledge to our conscious. I hope from today's lecture also we are going to learn something new.
Definitely. Thank you. Mobile commerce. The mobile commerce technology. What is mobile commerce? Services of mobile commerce, mobile payment, mobile commerce application, challenges of mobile commerce, advantage and disadvantage of the mobile commerce. Conclusions. What is m-commerce? The m-commerce is basically a mobile commerce. The activities which you are dealing with the mobile, your activities, all the things, like m-commerce is buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices. M-commerce is a process of paying for services using a mobile phone or personal organizer. M-commerce is the use of mobile device to communicate, inform, transact and entertain using text and data via connection to the public and private networks. Mobile commerce is ability to conduct commerce using a mobile device such as mobile phone, PDA, personal digital assistant. It could be a smartphone also. Any device of the mobile by which you can do a kind of transactions are going to be known as mobile devices. M-commerce benefits. Your internet offerings are easier and more convenient to access. You get considerable flexibility while conducting business. Transactions and personal costs are reduced due to widespread automation of back office operations. Field staff is more effective as they have a flexible access to back office data. Mobile commerce is basically a very widely used kind of business activities where we can do lot of things. Benefits of the business. For a small business, could benefit from m-commerce, selling a product or services, improving productivity. In the m-commerce, we can have a lot of other benefits also, which we can do. Using that, lot of transactions easily can be handled through this. Attributes to m-commerce: ubiquity, convenience, interactivity, personalization, localization and other things are also going to be there by which you can do the lot of m-commerce services and applications which are available to you. Like mobile ticketing, you may be knowing, easily nowadays you can do the mobile ticketing. Content purchase and delivery, you can purchase lot of content and you can deliver it. Information services, maximum information through mobile you can access. Mobile banking, which is one of the major area at the moment. Even banks are promoting the mobile banking activities because it is much more safer than any activity. Mobile browsing, auctions. Nowadays, even you can do e-auction activities through your mobile. Mobile purchase, mobile marketing and advertising. There are a lot of fields where mobiles are going to be used widely. As we have mentioned, mobile banking is one of them. Mobile banking is an area where you can do a lot of activities. Mobile ticketing. Tickets can be sent to mobile phones using a variety of technology. Users are then able to use their tickets immediately by presenting their phone at the venue. Tickets can be booked and cancelled the mobile device with the help of simple application and download. Maybe you all of you are knowing that the railways, Indian Railways are providing, the all other Indian airlines and all different kind of airlines are providing a service in which you can do all kind of activity through your mobile. You can carry your mobile, you can have your tickets with your mobile, you can have your all details with your mobile which is already there. Need not to carry any document for that purpose. You just carry your mobile, you can show to the person related to them and you can get all the informations access. Not only this, even in a way you just change your plan, you can cancel your ticket, you can do all the kind of things with a mobile very easily from any place, from any remote area, not necessarily go to the computer system, because your mobile is directly connected to the system and you can just use the internet and do all kind of activities related to the mobile ticketing. It could be a railway, it could be airways, or it could be any other places. Even you are booking your hotels and all that, every kind of bookings can be made through all this. Content purchase and delivery. Now, mobile content purchase and delivery mainly consist of sale of ringtones, wallpapers and games for mobile phones. The convergence of the mobile phones, portable audio players and video players into a single device is increasing the purchase and delivery of full length of music tracks and video. So lot of things can be done just by using your mobile content. You can ask the service provider to do these kind of activity and you can download about all those things also. Information services. For example, you are moving in a car, you can get a latest updated news, stock quotes, sports scores, financial records, traffic recording. Now these are the different kind of apps are also coming into the market. For example, you are moving from one part of the city to the another part. Before going there, you can see using those applications what is the position of the traffic, what are the other things are latest going on. You have access to all your newspapers, you have access to stock exchange and all the financial information through your mobile, and easily you can get all those things access from that point of view. So a lot of informations which you can gather through mobile very easily from any place within no time, and you can get access to them. Next is mobile banking, the major area where things are happening. The banks and other financial institutions use mobile commerce to allow their customers to access account information and make transactions such as purchasing stocks, remitting money and all. Now mobile banking is one of the major area where mobiles are going to be used. All the banks, even in India, all the banks are promoting this mobile banking because it is much more safer than any other thing. Next thing is that no need to go to the banks. You can easily access through your mobile all the banking transactions. You can monitor them, you can do the purchasing, you can get the money, you can get each and every access, things like that in a mobile. Some of the security steps you have to just follow, and bank will provide all the information, and banks are promoting this mobile banking because it's give easy to them also. all the transactions are electronically controlled. Simultaneously, no need to go to the bank. They have a limited space. Those bank can be operate from any place. So easily things can be done, and all the records are maintained properly. Mobile browsing. Now main article, mobile browsing. This mobile browser, using a mobile browser, a World Wide Web browsers on a mobile device, customer can shop online. You can do easily online shopping just like you are doing from your laptop and other computers. You can do through the mobile phones also. And now good mobiles are coming. You can see each and every site easily. You can locate the transactions which you want to do easily, and you can do it. Mobile purchase. Some merchants provide mobile websites that are customized according to your convenience for the further smaller screen and limited user interface for a mobile devices. You know, lot of applications are available into the market for you are doing. Take example, if you are going for a railway ticketing. So for railway ticketing for mobile, they have developed another application. Easily you can use that application, and in the same way you can reduce the size of your application. I mean, you can smaller the activity size, you can see the things properly, and you can activate according to your mobile. What I mean to say is it not necessary that you have a very good mobile, you have a big screen. These applications can be fit in any kind of mobile usually if it is supportable, and according to the screen size it can be adjustable. You can see the informations. If you want, you can make it more zoom and other things. You can make it more smaller. All these kind of facilities are available in these applications, and these apps have been developed for all different kind of applications. Now next is mobile marketing and advertising, which is a very important area. Now you can say that how the companies have reported that they are see better response from mobile marketing campaigns than the traditional campaigns. Easily you get lot of informations through your mobile. In the mobile advertising, basically you can see lot of ads are coming when you are just doing all this kind of development. Now you can see some of the parts of some general applications of the mobile commerce in entertainment, music, games, graphics, video, different kind of transactions which you can do, as we have just mentioned, banking, broking, shopping. Auction can be, auction is a very easiest part through the mobile commerce and all. Betting can be done, booking and reservations, where the m-commerce is playing a very important role. Mobile wallet is there, mobile purse is there. Now it's very easy to make any kind of payment through the mobile. Maybe you are knowing very well, for example, if you are paying payment to your mobile customer, Airtel, Idea or anything, you can make payment through your mobile itself. No need to go to any place, no need to issue a check, no need to go to the bank. If you have money with your this mobile money, what we call, that you can easily transact with your mobile system, and which is much more secure. Communications is also going to be the another area. Short messaging, multimedia messaging, unified messaging, email you can do easily. Chat rooms are there. Video conferencing is very easily, people are now following in, especially in the area of mobile. And information, news, you can get up-to-date news, city guides, direct searches, maps, traffic and weather. Maybe you are knowing very well, people are now using these kind of applications when they are moving from one part to the another part of city. If they don't know about the roads and other things, they just switch on your mobile system and do a kind of application. Automatically the telephone instructs you in which way you have to go, the road which you have to follow, the easier way you have to do. So all these things can easily be handled through your mobile applications. Corporate informations are going to be there. Market data you can get up to date. Now, some of the major things which we have to use in this mobile commerce application. Now, there is a applications through Google also. Android, already people, you are knowing all those maybe mobile phones which you are having, Google Android markets and all, and Apple is also going to be there. They have a different applications store in a digital application distribution platform for iOS, developed and maintained by the Apple. So what I mean to say, a lot of applications is already existing. Even the many organizations, they are coming with the mobile applications. So it's very easy for anybody to get it help about. For example, you are looking for a university details. If you are not having access to the other facilities like anywhere to go by and all, there are many places they have their mobile applications developed. Take example for Delhi University, they have developed their mobile applications. You can get lot of informations through those mobile applications. Not only this, suppose you can download your admit card, you can get your mark sheet, you can get your different papers, and there are many informative activity also which you can go through your mobile applications developed. And now even organizations which are not there, they are coming through their different mobile applications so that easily people can handle it. Now this is just a smaller data which I would like to provide, that millions of US dollars are happening going in this global mobile application revenue. Now this is the older data, but you get now things are moving very fast, and in the area of mobile commerce, lot of money is being involved and lot of transactions are already taking place. Mobile payment, it is an alternative payment method. Instead of paying with cash, check or credit cards, a consumer can use a mobile phone to pay for a wide range of services and digital or hard goods such as music, video, ringtones, online game, transportation fares, bus, subway or train or air, anything which you are using. You can buy books, magazines, tickets, or now any other many items which you can easily buy from that, and you can use through the mobile payment. Customer requirements, a large section of merchants with whom they can trade. A more consistent payment interface when making the purchase with multiple payment schemes like credit card payment, bank account, debit card payment, merchant benefits, brands to offer a wider variety of payments, easy to use payment interface development. Bank and financial institutions benefit to offer a consistent payment interface to consumer and merchant. Now how the way things are happening, payment via internet payment provider. Now you can see how the payment system is taking place. A user is giving an things processes, and then a browsing negotiation is going to be done. Merchant is there. Through the bank you can get all the informations, and there are security systems are going to be there, and ultimately you receive an SMS also, and all items can be done in that. So simple process is going to be there, although there are some security steps are involved making this payment to that. When consumer make a request, these requests are going to be authenticated, and then what kind of payment things are going to be done through the merchant. The merchant will have a direct connection with the bank. If bank make the payment to the merchant will deliver the things, activities like this. So this is the way you can make payment through your mobile phones. Now mobile service scenarios. See, financial services, entertainment, shopping, information services, payment, advertising and more. Now classes of mobile commerce applications. We have just divided some of the things like mobile financial application, that is B2C, business to customer, and business to business, B2B. Examples you can see: banking, brokerage and payment of mobile users. Mobile advertising. Now directly you can see there are direct advertisement which is going to be done to the customer that is B2C, sending user specific and location sensitive advertising to the users. Maybe you are knowing when you are using telephones, the service provider seeing your services and your requirement, they provide you the some of the inputs to you. For example, they say that you can use STD call for this much money, you can use this benefit, or they're just getting mine your the business, the way of calling, they measure you all those things, and according to your convenience they send you this kind of advertisement. Mobile inventory management, this location tracking of goods, boxes, troops and people. Proactive service management, this is again part of B2C and B2B, transmission of information related to distributive components to vendors. Product locating and shopping, again part of this your business to customer and business to business, you can get all the information locating orders, certain items from the mobile devices. Wireless re-engineering, improvement of business services. Mobile auction and reverse auction, you can do even the auctioning on the mobile through your mobile phones using the services for customer to buy, sell and certain items. Mobile entertainment services, video on demand and other services to a mobile user. Mobile office, working from traffic jam, airport and conferences. Mobile distance education, take classes using streaming video and audio. You may be very surprised to know that a lot of things are in distance education. Mobile phones are playing a very important role. Many service providers are providing lot of content through the mobile, which according to your convenient you can handle. For example, this is a lecture, if it is available on any application, mobile application, you can listen this lecture according to your requirement at any moment. You can just go through it and you can download it and you can just read all the things when you require. You can stop after some time and again you can go through those contents easily. Mobile music, mobile on demand, downloading and playing music using mobile services. Mobile application, financial tools. As mobile devices become more secure, mobile banking, bill payment services, brokerage services, mobile money transfer, mobile micropayments, replace ATM and credit cards. These are not for, already you are knowing that when you can do all the transactions through your mobile, you can get connectivity through your mobile, you can make all the payments through your mobile. There is no need of having an ATMs because bank is already there. Maybe you are seeing nowadays there are a lot of ads are coming. The bank is in your mobile. You can access your bank through your mobile. So in other way, no need to use the ATM or the credit card because all the facilities are available to your mobile com, and as we mentioned, this is much more secure than any other things. Financial tool, wireless electronic payment system. Transform mobile phones into secure, self-contained purchasing tools, capability of instantly authorizing payments types. It could be a micro payments, it could be a wireless wallets, wallet what we call, it could be a bill payment. Examples, there are many Swedish and postal banks are there, checks, balances, make payment, conduct some transactions. Tagens industries are going to be there. We can receive financial data and trade on Stockholm Exchange. City banks are there. There are many banks which are providing this kind of facility. Mobile applications, marketing, advertising and customer services. Shopping from wireless device. Have an access to service similar to those of wireline shoppers. Shopping carts, price comparisons, order status, and future will be able to view and purchase products using handheld mobile devices. Mobile applications, marketing, advertising and customer service. Again, targeted advertising. Using demographic information can personalize wireless services. Know users, preferences and surfing habit markets can send user specific advertising messages, location specific advertising messages. It could be example like that. The persons which are living in Delhi's requirement could be a different than the person who is living in remote area or in a village. Take example, services which are providing by even mobile providers, they are providing different kind of benefits in the rural areas and they are providing some different kind of benefits in the urban area. Could be like that. The call rates maybe in rural area is lesser than the call rates which are going to be used in urban area. Or there are many specific products which are going to be widely used there and it is not going to be used much more in the city. So they have a specific advertising things. They know about their customer and according to their customer needs they are doing this advertising, which is possible only using through the mobile phone. So it's being very specific about that. CRM applications. Now you know very best this customer relation management, which is the very important factor in today's marketing. Now mobile is playing a very important role. We call mobile CRM. Through the mobile, doing this customer relationship management is again a good thing about the marketing. Comparison, shopping using internet capable phones, voice portables, enhanced customer services, improved access to the data for employees. Mobile portals, a customer interaction channel that aggregates content and services for mobile users. Charges per time for the service of subscription based, for example, fast mode in Japan, mobile corporate portals are going to be there, services, corporation, customer and suppliers. Mobile intra-business enterprises applications. Support of mobile employees. We suggest that maybe by 2015, 25% of the all workers could be mobile employee. What do you mean by that? Sales people in the field, traveling executives, telecommuters, consultant working on site, repair or installation of employees need same corporate data as those working inside the company offices. Solution: wireless device, wearable device, cameras, screens, keyboard, touch panel display. Mobile B2B and supply chain applications. B2B means business to business applications. Mobile computing solutions enable organizations to respond faster to supply chain disruption by proactively adjusting plan for shifting resources related to critical supply chain event as they occur. Accurate and timely information, opportunity to collaborate along supply chain, must integrate mobile device into information exchanges, example, telemetry, integration of wireless communications, vehicle monitoring system and vehicle location devices leads to reduce overhead and faster services responsiveness. Vending machines. Applications of mobile devices for consumers industries. PDA, this again personal service applications, example, you can know airport or it could be any other places like that where things are going on. Mobile gaming and gambling, mobile entertainment, music, it could be a video, it could be playing other different kind of games and all. Hotels, you can do, as I mentioned, easily bookings of the hotels and all any places which you can do. Intelligent homes and applications. Wireless telemedicines, you may be knowing this is a very important area especially in the healthcare. Lot of many good health services are providing by the government, or there are many private hospitals, they are providing their telemedicine services through their mobile. Many good companies have already coming into the India also. If you are living in a rural area, you have a telephonic communication, they do maintain your all records, and timely they provide you the maximum help what they can do through these telemedicine activities. And even health department trying to do much more. They have developed such kind of applications where you can get some testing done and suggested by them. They can use those things through your wireless telemedicine concept. Other services for the customers are going to be there. Mobile payment for m-commerce. Mobile payment can be offered as an standalone service. Mobile payment could also be an important enabling service for other m-commerce services. For example, mobile ticketing, shopping, gambling, paying bills, etc. It could improve your acceptance by making the services more secure and user friendly. In many cases, offering mobile payment method is the only chance the service provider have to gain revenue from an m-commerce service. The consumer must be informed of what is being bought and how much to pay, options to pay. The payment must be made, payment must be traceable. See, sometimes what is happening, you make the payment and due to some transactions problem, take example, suppose you are just booking a railway ticket. Usually it happens that railway have a different portal when you just try to make the payment, until or unless the payment is made to the railways, they don't issue the ticket. The ticket is ready, but it is not going to be made due to some kind of problem into the bank and the portal of this railways. So here we have this kind of features inbuilt in the mobile also. You may be knowing whether the things have been done or not. You will receive the authentication process, as well as you will receive the message whether the bank has processed each and everything or not. So in that case also, mobile is making all efforts to provide you the up-to-date information. Customer requirements. A large section of merchant with whom they can trade. A more consistent payment interface when making the purchase with multiple payment scheme like credit card payment, bank account or debit card payment. Merchant benefits. Brand to offer a wider variety of payment. Easy to use payment interface deployment. In the case of mobile banking, for making a payment, it is good for the merchant also that they should use such kind of facilities so that easily payment can be made. Because in mobile, some problems are going to be there, which we'll discuss just now, that the broadband and other different kind of and you are living in a very remote area, making payments from there, not able to connect properly. So for those purpose, these merchants have to offer a good service to the mobile users so that the easily payment can be made or it can be accessible. Bank and financial institutions benefits to offer a consistent payment interface to consumer and merchants. Payment via internet provider. Now here you can see a user is making payment, then WAP and GW proxy is going to be, wireless protocol system is going to be there, browsing this algorithm and going to be to the merchant. Through that, through the security system, it will automatically take the money from your wallet and you will receive the SMS and automatically you will get that the final through in that. Easily the payment can be provided. Payment via integrated payment service. Now more authentications are also going to be there. Now still security is going to be a major concern, especially in the payment area. Although major controls have been given, there are different kind of things, algorithms are going to be put there to make it more secure. You can see it here how the this wireless these applications programs have been given to you, the merchant have been given, they are receiving the payment through the bank, mobile wallets are going to be there, this wires prepaid devices are going to be there, and you are getting all the payments done. Limitations of the m-commerce is still, with so many good facilities, so much user friendly, still lot of problems are also going to be faced by these people. Usability problem, small size of mobile device, screens, keyboard. Sometimes we are writing your information, the keyboard is very small, maybe you are not able to write things very easily, and because the mobile applications which have been developed, its size is very small, and still if you are using a small size telephone, you can't see things very easily. Limited storage capacity of your device, hard to browse sites. As you know, in the laptop and other desktop computers, easily you can go from one site to another site and you can do, which is not very easy happening in the case of your mobile phone. Technical limitations, lack of standardization security protocols, insufficient bandwidth, which is again major important thing about that. 3G licenses, there are many telephones are going to be there which are not supporting all those things, so you may get some kind of difficulty when you are handling all those things. If you are having a good quality mobile telephones which have been authorized, authenticated, and having all this kind of technical specification, then there is no problem, otherwise you may get some kind of difficulty. Technical limitations, transmission and power consumption limitations, poor reception in tunnel and certain buildings, multi-path interface, weather and terrain problems, and distance limited connections. WAP limitation, wireless application protocol limitations are going to be there, speed could be there, cost is also an important factor, accessibility is going to be there. Now, limiting technological factors, some of the factors like networks. In the network could be problem of bandwidth, interportability, cell range, roaming. In mobile middleware, standards, distributions, localizations, upgradation of network, upgrade of mobile devices, precisions. Mobile devices could be a problem in sometimes battery, memory, CPU, display size also is going to be there, and later it is very important, it's security, mobile devices, network and gateways. Potential health hazard, cellular radio frequency is equal to cancer, which you put it nowadays. No conclusive evidence at all though, could allow my microdot lawsuits. Mobile devices may interfere with the sensitive medical devices such as pacemaker, or it could be not widely known, but it could be a different kind of devices. Security in e-commerce environment, we have a different SIMs, WAP, and this WAP different applications are going to be there. You can see different secured systems are going to be used in the mobile commerce. This your mobile IP services are providing through the network, and internet connectivity is going to be there. Mobile banks are going to be connected, and you can at this mobile m-commerce servers and security and payments are going to be there. So this is how the things are going to be controlled in this way. Now, mobile commerce challenges. Slow data transfer, speeds on second generation cellular network, resulting in higher cost to the customer. More websites need to be designed, especially for small wireless devices. Keyboards and screens on cell phones are still tiny and weakened to use. Limitations, memory is going to be the factor, power supply, small screen size, lack of JavaScript and cookies, types of pages accessible, speed, size of messages, and cost. advantage and disadvantage of MCOM. Advantages: offer many payment options, push advertising, direct marketing, more efficient and extensive service offered. The internet is going mobile, can be easily set up. Disadvantage: expensive cost, large screens won't be displayed in clear, slow speed, limited for longer messages. At hard way to fill the data, security is not protected. Wireless technologies, link layer, example, when you there analog, MPS, CDPD, cellular digital packet data is going to be there. TDDMA and GSS, time division multiplex access, global system for mobile communications. CDMA, I already you are knowing, code division multiplex access, and Mobitex TDMA based different kind of wireless technologies are going to be there. LAN is going to be there, and this devices, cell phones, Plam, Vinci, Symbian and BlackBerry. Example of different PDA services. This Plam, Handshake, Motorola, Diagronet, there are different kind of speeds and have been given to you, which is a RIM interactive pager, Compact is going to be there, HP Jornada is going to be there, Casios are going to be there, Passions Review the Air and Passion series, different kind of systems, PDA services are there, and using different microprocessor, and speed is going to be changed accordingly. Application layer technologies are also going to be there. Micro browser based systems are going to be there. WAP, WML and SDML, Open House, iMode, HTML entity and DOCOMO. Web clippings are going to be there. XHTML W3C is going to be there. Bias browser based services are also going to be there. Client side is going where J2ME is, Java to micro additions is going to be there. WM script, Open Web is going to be there. Messaging is going to be there. SMS part of GSM space. WAP Wireless Application Protocol, created by the WAP Forum, as you are very now founded in June 1997 by Ericsson, Motorola, Nokia Phone.com. There are many companies are going to be the member of there. And then WTLS, Wireless Transport Layer Security is going to be involved. And basic wireless applications are going to be there, where this WTLS is going to be there, and SSL, web browser through internet, and through this WAP gateway your mobiles are going to be accessed properly. There are different other WAP applications are also going to be there, how you are doing activities through your mobiles and all. Security challenges are going to be the very important factor. Less processing power on devices, slow modular exponentials for the priority checking, such that RSA, crypto operative drain batteries are going to be there, CPU intensive, less memory, keys, certains, etc. require storage. Few devices have crypto acceleration. Basically, cryptography in nutshell, what we can do, this is going to be used for a security purpose on your mobile system, for few authentication and all, biometric authentication. No tamper resistance, memory can be tampered with no secure storage. Primitive operating systems are going to be there, support for this access control and all. Wireless security approaches, link layer security, GSM, A3, A5, A8, authentication, key range, encryption. Encryption and decryption means where you can decrypt the message and you can encrypt the message and all. CDMA is going to be there, and CDPD, RSA plus systematic encryption techniques are going to be there. Application layer security is also going to be there. WAP, WTLS, WML, WML script and SSL, iMode and SMS. Examples of security concern, performance. We'll do an example. Should we use our RSA or ECC for WTLS mutual authentication? Control, WAP caps data in clear at gateway while re-encryption takes place. Examples: WTLS is ECC versus RSA. WTS goals: authentication, privacy, data integrity. Authentication, public key crypto, CPU sensitive, privacy, systematic in crypto, and data integrity max. WTS crypto basic, public key crypto. RSA, Riverest Samir Adamlen, ECC elliptic curve, certificates, authentication. What we are talking in number time about the authentication means when you are making payments through your mobile, are doing any accessibility or through the mobile. These are the technologies which will see that you are a very much secure area, and they will authenticate that you are the person who are using all those things. Your everything be authenticated at every steps, and these are the security concern things have been there, which will make when you are authorized to use, only then you can make payment. When the customer, your bank will authorize, you can access your payment, and these authentication process are going to be controlled through this. WTS for mutual authentication. There are a lot of authentication systems are available, and still lot of work is being done in this case. For example, you see mutual authentication, client hello, server hello, at certification request hello server, then certificate client key exchange only for RSA, certificate verify, change ciphertext, finish and application data. So this verify server certificate, then establish session key, and now you can see generate your signature. You will be knowing lot of things are happening, how this mutual authentication or process is going to be there. Operation, cryptographic primitives, and time required in millisecond. Server certificate verification, RSA signature verification, public decrypt, and it required 598 millisecond. Session key establishment, RSA encryption, public key, client authentication, and in total you can find out how much time it will take in total mutual authentication, which is an important factor for doing your all other activities. Same thing happened in the case of this ECC. The time and other things are going to be there. The cryptographic execution for mutually authenticated 163-bit ECC handshake is at least 8.64 times as fast as the cryptographic elevation time for mutually authenticated 1024-bit RSA handshake on the point. So you can see the lot of WAP Gap also one alternative where dynamic gateway corrections are going to be there. WTLS class 2 SSL operator, and this is going to be connected with your system in that. Usability challenges, hard data entry, poor handwriting recognition, numeric keypads for the text entry is error prone, poor voice recognition, further complications security entering passwords, speaking passphrase in hard, small skin so that can't show user everything in the shopping cart at once, voice output time consuming. Graffiti, scale down handwriting recognition, T9 text input, there are a lot of things are going to be there. Full alphanumeric keypad is called in the BlackBerry. Restricted voice XML grammars for better voice recognition. Careful task-based graphical user interface and dialogue design, lots of room for improvement. Heterogeneity challenges. Many link layers protocol, different security available in each, many applications layer standard. Business need to write to one or more standards or hire company to help them. Many devices types, many operating systems, wide variation in capabilities. Heterogeneity approach, HTML, web screen scraping, protocol and markup language translators standardization. Business model issues, possible models, slotting fees, wireless advertising, paper application download, paper page download, flat fee for service applications, revenue share on transactions, trust issue between bank, carriers and portals, lack of content services. They conclude what we are going to be there like that. The core of m-commerce is the use of terminal, telephone, PDA, PC devices and public mobile network to access information and conduct transactions that result in the transfer of value in exchange of information. Services are good. Mobile commerce refers to any transactions with monetary value that is conducted via a mobile telecommunication network. And thank you, this is what
thank you, sir. Thank you so very much. You have raised a very important point over here. From this we can conclude, or can we say that the BPO or the MNC culture which is on the verge and it is booming, it is one of the example of the mobile commerce?
It could be like that. They are taking, as we have just discussed, this mobile commerce are basically helping them to coming out with all. As you mentioned, we have just given example of MCRM. Now mobile customer relation management. For example, at the moment you are getting some kind of problem through certain device or any kind of transactions, immediately you can contact your mobile on that particular the persons, and those persons, if they are available in the call centers or anywhere, they can provide you the best help, and immediately they can provide you the services through your mobile. Not only this, they will tell you that how you can handle your mobile, what are the things you can use on your mobile, so that easily you can understand the thing and usually you can access the things very easily.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much for delivering such a nice lecture, and I would like to tell students that Dr. Pandey would be again with us tomorrow, and tomorrow we would be discussing on mobile governance.
Right.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so very much.